Ridiculous. Yes, yes, but resistance, no resistance is the name of the game. You're gonna head with life. First thing first, shit, I don't know the time. Let me find out the time. Boss on. Let's you can tell me the time, please.
Yeah, 3:36 now.
3:36. Thanks. Appreciate that. You know, 3:36. So basically, take your time, so long, man. I did. Yes, ma'am. You too. One thing get cancelled. But it's too late. Let you work on the other stuff. Yes, yes. Crossing road, crossing road. Something on the car falling. People on every can lead the other. And watch others. You gotta bully the road too. You gotta bully the road too. That's how you gotta move through, bro. That's how you gotta move through, bro. Potential out there. Yes, yes. Potential. Hi, hi. Nice earrings. Check. Big and serious. So, uh, when we reach in town, big and serious. The name of the street, oh, that is must. You see a damn sign. No signs. Let me see who I could ask. Hey, love. Hey, love. What's the name of the street, you know? No, no, only me. Me boss, you know what time it is? Green zero, only. So yeah, well, you know the name of the street, huh? Alright, seal it. I know what's the story, sir. Oh, yeah, let's see. Love. Gee, ask a Grenadian. Big and serious. Yeah, I think I'll ask the coconut man, big and serious. He left me, big up the coconut man every time.
I don't know yet.
Street, sealess. I just passing through. You know the name of the street? You know the name of the street? Halifax Street, big and serious. Well, yeah, as they say, ask the local man here, go tell me. But thanks again, boss. Have a blessed one and good luck. Respect, yes, sir. So, yeah, Halifax Street. We on Halifax Street. We're cutting across. Oh, I should have asked the next question, which is when you cut across on the left hand side to Halifax Street, that road there where you're coming up there, we are coming up here now. What is this name? Hmm? What is this name? Anybody can tell me? Hey, up man. Are we gonna do a collaboration, boss? You wanna hold the camera right now? We can do it now. The camera, a mic up. Look, a mic up. You just have to hold the camera. So let you go and do. I wanna make a little purchase inside. If you wanna help me, to hold the camera, you can follow me. I'm gonna make me like a purchase, walk out, and then I wanna learn also the name of the street here. You check. I wanna learn the name of the street. So you know the name of the street, by the way? Oh, so we come from Halifax Street, and we're on Grenville Street now. Alright, big and serious. So, you ready? You willing?
I'm willing. I will be.
Alright, 2 minutes. Just hold it, let me walk inside. Hold it, let me walk inside. Just follow me one inside or take it on each inside. Greetings. All I'm doing today. Campaigning for more notice. Nah, just joking. Just come for a few beads. Heal up. Gotta shake your hand every time. Rub some of the millions. So you wanna give me the see how you do your millions just greet each other?
Hey, why don't TV fast?
We can know how to do my movie. You wanna hold the camera for me? You hold the camera now. But anyway, you ready? Thanks. Thanks. Anyway, this is where we are at right now to get the bees. We are in CS. This is really what I come for right here. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, I'm gonna give it ish. Yes, I want you. And you. What else? What else? Yeah. Maybe one of you. I guess I get it. Small ones, small ones. You see any small ones? Are there any small ones? In these? I ain't seen. Ah, just get one day, but that fucking thing small in that packet. Are they sure there's something to follow out?
You want to come to that pack and make a pack for yourself?
Bomb of
It will cost you
class.
$5, not free.
How much? How much? $3?
$3 for that.
Lord of His mercy. Anyway, I'm not gonna pay for my things. Big and CS. For fashion, for also, I could get a discount.
No.
Like, yeah. No, basically, sorry, not a discount I want. Can I pay $5 for all of this? I know you don't like that. You don't like, you don't. Huh?
$10.
25.
Yeah. You want to pay $5 for one? So I pay $5. That you see? Okay, I'll get you this $5, that $3, $12, $17. I'll get you this one already, right?
What was the first one? What was the first figure? What was the first figure you say? 25?
25.
No, you say 17 after, right? 17? Yeah, thanks. Woo! Big up, big up, big up. You see how we you know, all the millionaires are saying, like, one thing, you see, you get the skunks. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I'm gonna only come here ask. You know what I mean? Say greens are saying all, you know what I'm saying? If all they smart. Yeah, if they smart. If they smart, they say greens are saying me. So yeah, thanks, boss. Hope you have a blessed day. I think for the change, you had to give the, you had to make a contribution. But yeah, I think, hey, look now. You saying nothing now? You good? Alright, stay blessed, eh? Where my other friend? She did? She did in the back? I didn't have my glasses, eh? I didn't have my glasses, so I can't really see. The daughter? Hey, daughter. How much times did she be talking about she phone?
Every time. I'm on to
Listen, you gotta change that because why? She need a new life. But she when she there with me, she don't have to worry about your people minding we business. Stop that.
That's a lot of make deal do.
Green Zara. Lord. Yes. Yes. So when money talking to you, I don't know how to, how to reciprocate. But yeah, anyway, stay interesting though.
That's nice. I know I'm trying to insurance has to pay. I can't hear. After insurance pay, I don't hear.
Yeah, that had to pay. Yes, that had to pay. But you know what I mean? Don't let everybody know that.
Hello. Don't yell at me. Have a name.
Sorry, what's your name, sweetheart?
Like, Sanka.
Shanka. I like it.
Eh?
Yeah.
Sanka still early.
That girl, you know?
Anyway,
Come here, I look rude, you know?
well, I like when I could get something to tame. You know what I'm saying?
So they can't tame this day.
Oh, you can go.
Your food again, what?
See you later. Bye. Bye, Shankar.
Adios.
Adios. I don't know. Yeah, broski. Bro, hail up, man. What you flipping there?
Nah, I'm just telling you how to get it. You gotta make the Google chains. So they breed for the Google chains.
But they're not hearing you. I have my mic.
What the heck? What the heck? Oh,
You have to be smarter than that, bro. I tell you, I have my mic.
Oh, I did not hear that.
Ah.
So, right.
No, they're not hearing you.
So, you're the only one that can talk?
Who are the mic?
And then you gotta get to one.
No, I don't need it for that. I just need it to hold the camera.
Hi, boss. Hi. I remember tight schedule, so.
So yeah, man. Thanks. I appreciate that. You want me to put you on camera?
Nah, I good.
That's what I say. You see, I don't want your voice to be, but not the camera, huh? It's all easy, boy. So yeah, there's one thing done, big and serious, right? One thing done. You know what I mean? More things. Oh, what's next? Um. Well, I cancel the cancel going and drop over the bill, and now after yeah, campaign inside Grenada and Southside. Yes, sir. We going to Grenada now. See you later, miss. Happy New Year's. I don't know, bless up. So yeah. You see the street is? Halifax Street? Here's Ball Street. And we're going on Halifax Street, so. So we went to St. John's. Oh. Hey, love. Happy New Year to you too.
Then you're going to swing off of Halifax onto St. John.
Oh, yes.
Off of St. John onto Melbourne.
Right. Thank you. Let's do it. We can see this. Let's do it. Hold on, Cam. Hold on, Cam. Hold on. So yeah, we're gonna hit me like when we reach over by cause already know Halifax. Um the other one. St. John Street? Yeah, that's St. John Street over there. So when I reach on St. John Street, I turn back on the camera, we can see it. So you go.